some simple steps of preparation of audiovisual aids. In the storing the more ideas, exploring the more ideas on the health education content. Task is very easy to prepare and easy to explain and easy to explore also. Okay, like length and width of the one crazy carbon sheet paper is around 60 to 70 centimeter. The first one, the length and width, okay, length and width of the crazy carbon sheet, see, 60 or 70, 60 centimeter, 60 to 70 or 60 to 70, like rectangular crazy carbon sheet cut into four pieces. Cut into four pieces. I will give show the picture. And now the length and width of the one piece of paper sheet is around 30 to 35 centimeter. Stick 1 inch blue color or black color tape around all edges. I will show the picture. See, after buying the some 6 to 70 centimeter of A4 sheet, okay, you can divide these two pieces and then make it as a four pieces. Okay, after this one you make it as a four pieces. One crazy carbon sheet is divided into four pieces. Okay, four pieces. Then that four pieces, the each piece have 30 centimeter each. Okay, 30 centimeter each. One crazy carbon sheet is able to prepare only four charts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Only four sheet. Okay, the French the chart French sheet is like this. Okay, for your making any lesson planning on food and nutrition or any vitamins, any good and vitamin A suggestions or vitamin B suggestion, like that you can do the food and preparation, give the food and nutrition title lesson planning uh, on food and nutrition, like that, or food and nutrition health education submitted to whatever teacher suggests. You write to the teacher and submitted by his your name and submitted date when you are submitting. And in sutta and around the four edges you have to paste the or stick the some black or blue color tape, 1 inch tape. Okay, this is the front chart. It should be like this. I'll show the sample picture also. Okay, and print paper paste collected photos, any one information, and backside of the last paper write about that pasted photo. Okay, right. Once the print paper, okay, see, this is the print paper. Okay, after opening the print sheet, you able to write, are able to stick some foods about the vitamin A. Backside of the backside of this chart, okay, backside of the print chart, you write about this health education picture, health education picture, health education photo. About this content or about this description, you write backside of this headline. Okay, next, like that you follow and can write same thing. You have to follow until preparation of 8 to 10 flashcards. Yes, topic. I'll suggest some topics. About health education preparation. Okay, see, this is the technique of how to preparing the health education. That is lesson planning and also flip chart or flashcard. If you have any doubt, ask can clear your doubts. Okay, for selecting the topic, these are my suggestions: food and nutrition, personal hygiene, fever treatment, balanced diet, environmental hygiene, and diabetic diet, and basic techniques about vitamins, about eye care, how to take the eye care, and nose care, nail care, bed bath, active and passive exercises, and position and first aid for dog bite, first aid for snake bite, and crutch walking, nebulization, oxygen administration, ORS preparation, DASH diet for hypertension patient, and headache management or pain management, dehydration, and insulin administration. These are the basic terms. Okay, see, gather gather information or gather the photos. Okay, gather photos for preparation of flashcard and any clip chart from internet source, or refer some books, or refer latest newspaper or old newspaper. Collect all your information for taking any example for food and nutrition. Andre, there is fruits photos available uh, in the newspapers. Okay, fruits photo and food photos that's available in the newspapers or in any magazines, like that, can available in the Google Images or textbooks and basically use internet source. Internet is a good source for referring, for taking the photos and this one information. Or if it's not at all if possible, you can write in hand. That's very good. You can highlight it. Okay, you can draw the pictures. Draw the pictures in some A4 sheet and cut the A4 sheet and paste on the flashcard, or directly draw on the diagram about your content in the flashcard. Okay, see, that's all very good method. This is about health education, preparation of AVIDs, handwriting format of lesson planning. If you have any doubt, ask connect your doubt.